Sawyer, mean, mean pride. Though his mind is not for rent, don't put him down as arrogant. His reserve a quiet defense, writing out the day's events. The river. What do you say about his company is what you say about society. Catch the mist, catch the myth, catch the mystery, catch the riff. The world is love and life are deep. Maybe as his skies are wide. Today's Tom Sawyer, he gets high on you, and the space he invades, he gets by on you. No, his mind is not for rent to any god or government. Always hopeful yet discontent. Those changes aren't permanent. Oh, changes. And what do you say about his company is what you say about society. Catch the witness, catch the wit, catch the spirit, catch the spit. The world is love and life are deep. Maybe as his eyes are wide. Exit the warrior, today's Tom Sawyer, he gets high on you, and the energy you trade, he gets right on to the friction of the day.
Yeah, Tom.
Not exactly what I wanted to do,
Woo! Yay! Oh, he's getting fancy.
but
took a different line?
A little bit.
Oh, look at Carter. He's just gonna play. Oh boy. Ah. This is heavy.
It's very heavy. Because it was heavy to begin with. I added a lot of epoxy to it. He lets all the non-flexy shafts go to.
Do you like it?
But no, I just remember.